Watch this video and learn how to draw a scary shark. Later in the video, Bunny Fluffington sings a song. And watch to the end to see Artie take a potty break. Ooh, gross. Are you ready, little artists? Come on, everyone. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Artie.
Oh, hello, little artist.
Hello, Artie. You know how you love sharks?
Yes.
Why don't we draw one today?
Oh, Artie would love that. Can we please?
Of course we can.
Okay. Yay.
Hello, little artists!
Hey kids, how's it going?
I'm so happy to see everyone today.
We're happy to see you, Bunny, aren't we, Artie?
Yeah,
Are you ready to start, Artie?
I think I'm ready to start.
Are you feeling very arty today?
Yeah.
Oh, fun.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Okay, let's do it.
Okay, Artie, let's start by drawing a big curved line right the way across the page, sort of horizontally, but make sure it's curved. It looks like a hilltop,
Yeah.
but it's not a grassy hill, it's a scary shark.
Yeah.
Now let's add the tail fin. If we're going too quick, here's a message from Bunny.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Now let's draw the bottom part of the tail fin. Two curved lines coming to a point. Sharks are very easy to draw. Now let's do his tummy, another nice curved line. And let's give him a nose. Oh, here comes Bunny.
Hi, Artie!
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Are you drawing a carrot?
No,
Oh, I wish you would.
maybe next time.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Oh, she's so sweet, Artie. Now let's draw him a nice big wide open mouth so we can show all of his teeth later on. Now give him a chin and complete his tummy. That's it. Great start, Artie.
Let's have a song break.
Okay, but why are we whispering?
I don't know. Let's have a song break.
Yay!
Yay! Song break.
Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark. Daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark. Grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark. Let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt. Run away do 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 do, run away do 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 do, run away do 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 do, run away. Safe at last do 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 do, safe at last do 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 do, safe at last do 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 do, safe at last. It's the end do 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 do, it's the end do 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 do, it's the end do 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 do, it's the end.
Oh, that was a really good song break.
It sure was.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Oh, Artie loves a song break.
So do I.
Yeah.
Should we carry on and finish the drawing?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay.
Let's add one of our shark's side fins. Do you know what these are called, Artie?
No.
They're called pectoral fins.
Oh.
Coming up, Artie's going to take a potty break. Ooh. Let's add those little slits that you see on the side of a shark. They're called gill slits. That's how the shark breathes. Let's give him a really cute eye so he doesn't look too scary.
Hi. Painty! Oh no, Painty! Not now! Not
Oh, Painty, you've made a big yellow mess everywhere. Ugh, and that's not funny, Bunny. Now I have to clean all this up. I'll just go get a cloth. Hold on, it'll only take a minute. What a mess.
Artie need potty break.
You need a potty break?
Yeah,
Ugh, go on then.
okay, potty break.
Go on.
I won't be long. Okay, Artie went potty.
Feel better now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's carry on then. Now let's use one of the really thin marker pens. We're going to add a little bit of detail, and that's going to help us later on when we're colouring in. Nice job, Artie. Lovely detail. Oh, here's baritone.
Hi, Artie! Whoa! It's a masterpiece! It's hitting all the right notes! Makes me want to sing! Bye!
Thank you, Barry. Don't call us, we'll call you. Okay, Artie, let's add the big fin that sticks out of the top of a shark that you see when they're swimming. This is called a dorsal fin. Well, I think there's only one thing missing. His teeth. You can't have a shark without big spiky teeth. Add them in with the skinny pen. That's it, Artie. I think you're done.
I finished.
I thought you were.
Yeah.
What could we do now?
We could color it in.
That's a good idea.
Okay, let's do it.
Go on then.
Color it in. Color it in. Color it in.
Artie's finished.
Wow, Artie, he came out so good. He's quite scary looking.
Yeah, Artie is very arty.
Yes, you are.
See you next time.
We'll see you again soon.
Bunny wishes and carrot kisses.
That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. Have an arty day. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye. Bye.